$2,000 monthly stimulus. Are you eligible? Payment dates and details inside. Before we get into the details, please click like for the video and share to encourage us to continue. Here are the details. Stimulus payments have provided vital relief to millions during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, despite ongoing rumors about $2,000 monthly payments, the government is currently distributing $1,400 payments to eligible taxpayers. Understanding the reality of stimulus payments is essential for those seeking financial aid during these uncertain times. The truth about $2,000 monthly stimulus payments in recent years. The topic of stimulus payments has been widely discussed, from government relief programs enacted during the pandemic to ongoing financial aid proposals. Many Americans are eager to know whether new stimulus measures are on the horizon. Rumors of $2,000 monthly stimulus payments have circulated widely, leading to confusion about eligibility, distribution dates, and how these funds could be accessed. At present, there is no official federal program providing recurring $2,000 stimulus payments to Americans. While various proposals have been introduced, none have been enacted into law. Instead, the most recent effort by the IRS and federal government is the distribution of $1,400 payments to eligible taxpayers. These payments serve as a crucial financial boost for individuals and families who may have missed out on previous relief payments. Who is eligible for the $1,400 stimulus payment? Eligibility for the $1,400 stimulus payment is determined based on several factors, including income and filing status. To qualify, single filers must have an adjusted gross income, AGI, of $75,000 or less to receive the full amount, with payments gradually decreasing and phasing out at $80,000. Married couples filing jointly must have an AGI of $150,000 or less for full eligibility, with phase out at $160,000. Heads of household must have an AGI of $112,500 or less to receive the full amount, with phase out at $120,000. Eligible dependents, including adult dependents and college students, may also qualify for additional payments. How to claim your stimulus payment for those who believe they are eligible but have not yet received their $1,400 stimulus payment. There are several steps to take. Check the IRS website. The IRS provides an online tool, Get My Payment, where taxpayers can track their stimulus payment status. File a tax return. If you did not receive your payment due to missing information, you may need to file a tax return to claim the recovery rebate credit. Ensure banking and mailing information is updated. Incorrect banking details or mailing addresses can delay payments. Contact the IRS. If issues persist, reaching out to the IRS can help resolve any discrepancies. Future stimulus prospects. While the idea of $2,000 monthly stimulus payments continues to gain traction in political discussions, no legislation currently supports such a measure. Economic relief programs remain a topic of debate, and future stimulus initiatives will depend on congressional decisions and the state of the economy. For now, taxpayers should focus on accessing available financial assistance, ensuring they meet eligibility requirements, and staying informed through reliable sources such as the IRS and government announcements. What happened to the $2,000 per month proposal? In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, several proposals emerged advocating for $2,000 monthly stimulus checks to support struggling Americans. One of the most notable proposals came from a group of advocates, including former presidential candidate Andrew Yang and other policymakers, who argued that recurring payments would provide economic stability during uncertain times. However, despite widespread public support, the proposal never materialized. Why did the $2,000 payments not happen? The primary reason the $2,000 per month proposal did not come to fruition was political and economic feasibility. While many Americans supported the idea, lawmakers expressed concerns about the long-term sustainability of such an initiative. The cost of implementing monthly stimulus payments on a national scale was deemed too high, potentially increasing the national debt significantly. Additionally, policymakers feared that continuous direct payments could contribute to inflation and discourage workforce participation, creating unintended economic consequences. Who was eligible for other stimulus payments? Although the $2,000 monthly payments did not happen, eligible Americans did receive other forms of financial assistance, including the $1,400 stimulus payments issued in 2021 as part of the American Rescue Plan. To qualify for these payments, individuals had to meet specific income thresholds and filing requirements. Those who did not claim the recovery rebate credit for 2021 were potentially eligible to receive this payment. How do you know if you're eligible? To determine eligibility for these payments, individuals should check their 2021 tax return and verify whether they claimed the recovery rebate credit. Those who did not claim the credit but were eligible may still have an opportunity to receive the $1,400 payment. For up-to-date guidance and instructions on claiming missing funds, visiting the IRS website is the best course of action. How to stay informed and avoid scams. Government relief programs often attract scams and misinformation, making it crucial to rely on credible sources. To avoid scams, only refer to official government websites, such as irs.gov, for information. Be cautious of unsolicited phone calls, emails, or social media messages claiming to guarantee stimulus payments. Never share personal information, such as social security numbers or banking details, with unknown sources. What should you do if you didn't receive previous payments? If you were eligible for a stimulus payment but did not receive it, consider the following steps. File a tax return. If you missed a stimulus check and did not claim the recovery rebate credit, you may still be able to file a 2021 tax return to request the funds. Contact the IRS. If you believe you are missing a payment, reach out to the IRS via their official website, or call their helpline at 800-829-1040 to inquire about your payment status. Be patient. Due to the high volume of inquiries, responses from the IRS may take time. Exercising patience while waiting for updates is essential. While the $2,000 per month proposal ultimately did not happen, government aid has played a crucial role in supporting Americans during the pandemic. Staying informed and proactive is key to ensuring you receive any financial assistance you may be entitled to.